For those of you who aren't aware, this is a skateboard, and today we are going to be making this skateboard into a gift from God. So a while ago, a YouTuber by the name of Michael Reeves made a screen-powered microwave where you scream into it and it's basically
it's a piece of shit. It is a piece of shit. I got everyone's favorite food, tin foil. Oh my fucking god.
And I thought that's a cool concept, so why don't we steal that and then put that onto a skateboard so we can propel ourselves forward at the speed of screams. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this boring, normal, yucky, disgusting skateboard and turn it into a super cool, super epic, scream-powered electric skateboard. So now how normal skateboards work is you have a speed controller potentiometer, which will allow you to control the speed at which the motor spins at. And you know, that's cool and all, but why do you want to hold something in your hand like a stupid old motor when you can just clip a microphone to your shirt and, you know, scream into it to zoom you on your daily commute? That's a much cooler, much faster, much easier way to control a skateboard, right? Because wouldn't that be cool? So what I have here is a motor with a gear pulley attached to it, a motor belt, and the gear wheel right there. I'm gonna zoom in on it in post edit. So that's it right there. And so we're gonna code this microcontroller over here to activate the motor when you scream into a microphone module, so that it will turn this pulley, this gear pulley, and propel the wheel to zoom forward. This is my desk. A mess? Yeah, it is. But that gives me an opportunity to show you the microphone and how it's going to power the motor when we scream into it. So what this does is when the microphone detects noise, what it's going to do is it's going to send the signal to the pin 13, which is going to allow us to power whatever is connected to it. But this DC motor requires a lot of battery power, so we're going to have to buy or find or steal a new battery source. Oh, ooh. Hamburger. Cool and all, but like, can you prove to us that this DC motor is safe? Well, no, I cannot, because I have never done this before, and I'm honestly very scared for this to short fuse or break while I'm flowing current through it. So I'm very scared of that. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do a test run with maybe 12 volts, I believe it is. Yeah, 12 volts of power that are directly from a power strip, which should be extremely safe, which should be extremely safe, and you should do it home. Okay, let's do this then. Safe. Oh! That was a lot of sparks. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that's probably bad, but I don't know what that means. If it's this was a stupid idea. This was a stupid idea. Why am I doing this? I hate this. I hate this so much. Is your art school reject of a skateboard too boring for you and not suiting your needs? Well, now you can try the scream-powered skateboard. Only whatever the fuck you want to pay for it. I don't want it. It's trash. It literally doesn't even work well. Like it's shit. I don't know why you would want it. Look at it. That's painter's tape. It's tape. It's taped there. Everything's taped there. Why would you want this? Okay, you guys ready to see it? You guys ready to see it work? You guys ready? Okay, so I don't know if you can see the wheel turning or not, but Now you may be thinking, Kellen, does it work when you're standing on it? I don't know. I don't want it to fall apart as soon as I step on it, so I have not touched it. I moved it to the garage where it's hot, but that's all I've done. I haven't touched it because I'm scared. Is your regular art school reject of a skateboard even comparable to this? No, of course it's not. Why would it be? It's a screen-powered skateboard. You don't need to hold anything. You just have to have a microphone taped to your shirt or your mouth or your face. It doesn't matter. It can be anywhere. It can be anything. It's a skateboard, but screen-powered. Sadly, screen-powered skateboard was not made to last. With hot glue and duct tape, it was not sturdy enough to sustain a slight drop down my driveway. So sadly the motor got absolutely shat on by the not even 1 inch dip of the driveway, and yeah, I'm not doing this again. This was a tremendous waste of time. It worked, but it was a tremendous waste of time. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you stayed to the end, yeah, thank you for watching. I know the build was a shitty build. It was broke very fast. It wasn't. I think I'll be making a part 2 to improve on the build and design, but we'll see. We'll see how the video does. We'll see how the footage comes out. If I think it's shit, I'll do it again. But do all the regular YouTube crap, like it if you want, please. Thank you. I'm so fucking sad. Holy shit.